Do you want to know how you can log into your UIC Payroll account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your UIC Payroll account. Go ahead and search for UIC Payroll login on your browser and click on the first link which says University of Illinois System. Go ahead and click on the first link and it will take you to the official login portal of UIC, also known as University of Illinois System, and you can write down your net ID in the first box. After you've written down your net ID, go to the second box and write down your password. Make sure your password is correct by clicking on this icon, and make sure your net ID and password associated with your UIC Payroll account. After you've written them both down, go ahead and click Login, and this way you can successfully log into your UIC Payroll account. If you have forgotten your password or your password has been expired, go ahead and click on this link and reset your password now. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.